Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a guess what's in the box video, aka bag video. This item came from Amazon. This is an item I've been searching for since 2016. I bought some of these from Crutchfield and only one got delivered out of the three. The rest of them got canceled because they didn't sell them anymore. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is another guess what's in the box slash bag video. It feels like there's a couple boxes in here. This is an item I've been searching for since like 2016. I picked this up at Amazon. I originally purchased an item, three of the same item from Crutchfield Audio and Car and Audio Supply, and they sent me one, and then they told me that they had to cancel the other two because they were never ever going to get that item again. So I've been searching for at least two of that item since. And since we got the 2000 limited 4Runner with the 4x4, it's kind of needed, but it's a splitter. I'll tell you guys that. It's a splitter of some kind. For what and why it would be for a vehicle, well, that's for you guys to figure out. If you guys want to play along, you're more than welcome to play along. If you don't want to play along, it's no big deal. The unboxing video will be next. So this bag is 11 inches and 3/4 of an inch long by 9 inches wide, and it is 2 1/4 inches thick. It does feel like there's two separate boxes in here. The section that has the boxes is 7 inches long by 4 3/4 inches wide, and by the 2 and to about 2.5 inches thick, I think. No, it's about 2 1/4. But just a quick video. I also have a mystery box. I can't look up the tracking. It's an Amazon tracking, but because it's not on my account, I can't look it up. I have no idea who sent it, what it's for, what it is. So we'll do that also. And I'm still waiting for packages from eBay, so we got some more guess what's in the box videos. I did get all the hardware, so all of this stuff right here from Toyota. I have all of the Toyota stuff sitting right here, so I'm going to do a video of nothing but Toyota parts and give you guys part numbers in case you guys need those. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also got an Ulsa Tools link at the top of the description below. It'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order. So if you use it, it helps me out too. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!